Woke up this morning and the crypto market looks icky. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it looks icky. As I was going through, I was noticing. You look at the little crypto bubbles, and it's more red than green. You got a couple of you know holdouts here, GMX and the XEC, but all this right here, all this, our trust wallet that was pushed up by CZ. That excitement has went away. Told you so. But I'm not supposed to say that. But Algo, APT, was it was it Lido? Man, of course, FTT. I actually saw an FTT hat, and I thought, oh, I'll get that, and just say it was on clearance, and it was on sale for some reason. But is there opportunity in this? I think so. On a few things. Let's look. When you go over here real quick, look at the markets. Okay, total, your top 100 on crypto bubbles, not looking great. But when you look here, we discussed about Bitcoin on the daily yesterday. And one of the things that I was seeing is this bear pennant, and it is still forming a bear pennant. Let's open that up and look at, to me, it looks like the classic. Well, there's your flagpole into the bear pennant with a measured move to 11.4. All right. And you say, wait a minute, is there confluence? All right, let's look. That's starting to turn in the RSI. Your Stokes RSI is going in the proper direction, and it's got room to go. And the most bullish sign that I noticed was the MACD here. It was, it's turning up, and the pink is starting to turn. You think, well, that's great, MACD. All right. Well, let's do a little back testing. When you go back and I've already made these lines here, but every time it's doing this little thing where it goes into the pink, the blue line is turning up into the red. All right, blue line's turning to the red. Red's going to the pink. We'll go here. Matter of fact, what I did was I hit this button right here, and I just started going back and putting a vertical line. Boop, 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 without even looking at the price action, right? Okay. And so as you look, well, what's going on with that? Let's see. Let's start. Let's just start going backwards, and let's see what happens. All right. So we're here. See, that's where we are. Wondering what it's going to do is, all right. You go over here. Right here, it went down, and it did go up a little bit. Okay. Right here, it did go up a little bit, and it didn't go up. So okay, that's one that didn't. It just kind of went sideways. This one went down. Okay. This one went up. This one went down. This one went down and then went back up. This one went down. And that's about as far as I went back. But it's just indicative of the market that we're in now, that bad news affects more effectively because we're in a bear market. All right. And this is that thing that's going down. And you look, and here we are. Now, of course, do not listen to my financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But there may be some more pain in BTC. Well, let's see. What else you got? You could go to total 3. That is the market minus BTC and ETH. And it's doing this right here. Now, that is from where I was charting. I love going back and looking at my charts. Sometimes I'm wrong, but sometimes I haven't touched this. I was making an actual bear pennant here, or not a bear pennant, but yeah. And of course, they can break the other way, and so I put both, and sure enough, it broke up, and it went to the measured move. So, of course, it's more probable that a bear pennant breaks down. That's why it's called a bear pennant. All right. So But the overall, we're on the daily chart, and as you look overall, there's a few things. That's a descending wedge. For the total market minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, when you have that descending wedge, it breaks up. It will break up more often than breaking down. And so with the measured move of that right there, let me see right here, there right there, I'll go right here, move that over, and so we'll give you a little measurement on that right there. If we were to go from here and boop, right there, that's 164%. Okay, so which is not unheard of, because that's where, it's not even the heights of where we were last time, when we were coming back. So it's an indication that we're coming back. Well, just don't put your mortgage payment in there yet, because it's so, we're getting mixed signals. Something I did find interesting is when you look, I've been looking at Phantom. I'm a big Phantom fanboy. It's going down on the daily. If you look, we got new lows, new lower lows, and new lower highs. So new lower high, new lower lows. Not good. But my guys at Geist is going the other way. So on the daily, it's showing. And I had showed where it was a cup and handle here. And so, I mean, guys, it's the one project. I'm like, it's defying the odds. And again, as soon as you take my advice and put money in it, it's going to go down. So don't do what I say. You're going to mess my investment up. This is the one that I actually put money in at work. So, all right, so that's Phantom. And real quick, look at a couple of these. Are any of these on sale? Okay, meaning 12% off. Trust Wallet, is that a good deal? Let's take a look. If you look, it is actually making a flag. Right here, I don't have shortcut keys, but making a flag right there. Boop, which would be a measured move here of, well, I don't want to go way out that way. Just kind of, yeah, so it would be an increase of 88%, 86%, which is quite possible. Again, we're in a really, really bad market. And I don't think CZ is going to come out and say, trust wallet. He might. It's his wallet. But that was that was the reason why it said from here to here. It said, "Poop," is because CZ was saying, "Hey, our trust wallet." All right. The other one, as you look, this, where's it at? Yeah, where'd you go? Oh, here, that XEN. I'm not sure exactly. I'm not familiar with this, but I did look at the chart. And the chart looks not good. I mean, could that be a I mean, it's going the wrong direction. If it's making a cup and like maybe a cup and handle, the cup is going the wrong direction. If you look at here, which it seems to be our trend right here. That's lower highs, and then right here you have, let's go right here and just say, and this lower lows, not looking good. So no, I would not financial advice. I would not be doing that. And then the other one is Algo, which I have been looking at. That's like old grandpa, and it's doing something interesting. There's that MACD thing it's doing where it's turning. RSI, Stokes RSI is turning. The RSI is going the wrong direction. RSI by itself is going the wrong direction. But if you were to, I can envision, let me click on this where we can see the whole thing. I can envision that it's doing it's beginning at the bottom of a cup. And you think that you got to be a prophet. Absolutely. And so we shall see. But if it continues this pattern, I'm going to leave this right here to see how good my prediction is on Algorand. Algorand is big enough that it makes some actual market moves that are not so sporadic. And so we shall see if it makes it back up to this point right here. All right. So that might be a buy right now if that's what you're wanting to collect. And I'm not necessarily collecting Algorand, but I am collecting these middle-sized coins that have had a little bit of staying power that's going to survive the bear market. Now, and I was going to show you Lido, but it's doing this. So I'm going to skip that one. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments. I think I've still got 2 subscribers. I don't care if you subscribe or not. But if you do subscribe, let me know you're real. Also, put some comments like, I subscribe. That's me. I'm a real person and not like this bot that shows up. I hate bots. Hit the notifications and the bell to get the next video. Let me get off that because that's annoying. And I'm LTS Crypto. If you want to get involved, go on this journey, come on. We'll do this together. I'll try to help you as much as possible, as you will try to help me. Remember, we're all going to make it together, right? So see you in the next video. Bye.